How to renew your driver's license online in California. First, you want to Google search for Renew Driver License California and click on the first website that pops up right here, California DMV. Okay, so from this page you want to scroll down until you see Renew Your Driver's License, and it is going to tell us this: if you already have a California driver's license, you can renew it in person at a DMV office, by mail, and also you can do it online. So here all you need to do is to see the different options. Right here we have by mail, in person, and we can also click on renew your driver's license online. This is the one that we want. And here you will see renew, and you want to click on renew driver's license /ID. Before you begin, be prepared to log into your DMV online account. If you do not already have an online account, you will be asked to create one. You will also have to pay a renewal fee in the amount shown on your renewal notice. And you have to update your voter registration information if needed. If no changes, please proceed through to complete your transaction. Okay, so we are gonna click on renew driver's license here, the L, and then it's gonna ask you to sign into your account. Once you sign into your account or create an account, then you will have to pay the fee like we just read, and then go through the prompts to renew your driver's license. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.